So today I want to do a quick update on this. And this is the Logitech MX Master 3. And I got this back in March. And I'm going to tell you, I've been so happy with this. It has been totally a life-changing to me when it comes to my productivity and when it comes to the things that I do here in my office as a full-time content creator. So for the last 7 months or so, I have had this. And like I say, I have enjoyed it very much. So a couple things that I want to let you know just from the beginning. The ergonomics, when you hold this mouse, is really fantastic. It feels really good. It feels like totally different than any other mouse out there that I have gotten. This two right here, obviously you have your right click and you have your left click, right? And then you have this scroll ball right here in the middle that when you kind of push it like this, it does have a little bit of tension. But if you press right here, it kind of releases all the tension and it just moves just like this as you see in it right there, right? If you press the button again, you're kind of going to get that tension. You could kind of feel it right there. So again, it feels really good. When you come here to the side, you're going to have another one as well just right here. And I love this because I do a lot of editing. And editing, you have to go left to right or right to left. So essentially, as you hold it, you could just go like this with your finger, just like this. And you could kind of move this to the left, move it to the right. And again, it makes a difference. Instead of grabbing your mouse and going to the corner of the screen or something like that, easily you could do this like that. I'm telling you, that is a big deal. You'd be surprised how much more you do because of that. Now, if I come to this side, you're gonna have two buttons right here. As far as I know, you could customize that. I have not done that. What I have is just your standard. So if I click on a website, I could go forward, I could go back just like that. So again, I click in a place, I want to go back easily, I could come here, click that, and I go back right there. So that's really, really nice. And lastly, you got a button right here that this one integrates really well with Apple. Remember, there's one for Apple, there's one for Windows. When you press here, as I'm pressing this, what I'm seeing right now is my screen and it's showing me all the programs that I have open. So I can see I got Safari, I got Chrome's, I got Ecamm, and I got the Finder. And then I could just slide my mouse and be able to pick whichever I want, right? So again, that's going to be like the main things when it comes to that. It looks amazing. You guys kind of get the look. It looks really, really well. In fact, here's the keyboard, kind of like a matching keyboard, and they both match really well. Just gonna put it right here just real quickly so you can see both. And if you come to the bottom of the mouse right here, what you're gonna see is a little pad. I'm telling you, this thing kind of scrolls anywhere. I have put it in my kitchen counter, here on my desk, any place that I put these things, the arrow moves really, really well. But again, you have this right here, which is gonna prevent it for scratching or anything like that. And if you notice right here, you have a 1, 2, 3. So this device could connect to 3 different devices. I have done it already with my new computer that I have here. I also have it set up for my old computer, and I done it as well with the iPad, and it has done really, really well. And then right here, you have your USB-C charging, which you're going to be able to charge your battery. I'm telling you, it lasts forever because I barely charge this thing and I use it all the time. So again, I love this. It has been here with me for quite a while, and it has helped me increase my productivity big time. There you have it. We'll see you in the next one.